Since you were born, Palbit solutions are always around you. Machining the world where you live, where you move your goods, where you drive, where you fly. Even the places that fill your dreams. From powder to tooling solutions. Manufactured with the highest precision and quality parameters. For more than 100 years, Palbit develops the tooling solutions that make the difference in our daily lives. We are tooling solutions experts. From the way you move to the way you connect with others, Palbit tooling solutions are present everywhere, making dreams into reality and impossible into possible. We are Palbit.